Hare Krishna, Dandavat pranams to all. As we will be celebrating God Purnima in few days, so just thought of making some series on God Purnima, on God bhajans and God katha. So today is the first part of the series, and we will sing few bhajans for pleasure of Lord Gauranga. Hare Krishna. We'll sing the bhajan Gauranga Bolite Hame. It is a very sweet bhajan. Gauranga Bolite Hame Pulaka Sharira Hari Hari Bolite Nayane Pavanira Gauranga Bolite Habe Pulaka Sharira Hari Hari Bolite Nayane Bhavanina Araka Benita Chande Karuna Hoibe Samsara Vasana Mora Kabe Tuchha Hoibe Araka Benita Chande Karuna Hoibe Samsara Vasana Mora Kabe Tuchha Hoibe Gauranga Bolite Habe Pulaka Sharira Hari Hari Bolite Nayane Bhavanira Araka Benita Chande Karuna Hoibe Samsara Vasana Mora Kabe Tuchha Hoibe Gauranga Bolite Habe Pulaka Sharira Hari Hari Bolite Nayane Bhavanira Vishaya Chariya Kabe Shuddha Bemana Kabe Habe Herabo Shri Vrindavana Gauranga Bolite Habe Pulaka Sharira Hari Hari Bolite Nayane Bhavanira Vishaya Chariya Kabe Shuddha Bemana Kabe Hamerabo Shri Vrindavana Gauranga Bolite Habe Pulaka Sharira हमें बुझाओ से जुगल प्रीति रूपार गुणाथ पदे होइबे आकुति कबे हमें बुझाओ से जुगल प्रीति गौरंगा बोलिते अबे पुलक शरीरा हरि हरि बोलिते नयने बबनीरा और कबनीता चंदे करुणा होइबे संसार मासना मोरा कबे तुच्छ होइबे और कबे नीताई चंदे करुणा होइबे संसार वासना मोरा कबे तुच्छ होइबे गौरंगा बोलिते हबे पुलक शरीरा हरि हरि बोलिते नयने बबे नीरा विषय छड़िया कबे शुद्ध हबे मन कबे हमें हेराबो श्री वृंदावन रूपार गुणाथ पदे होइबे आकुति कबे हमें बुझाओ से जुगल प्रीति गौरंगा बोलिते हबे पुलक शरीरा हरि हरि बोलिते नयने बबे नीरा रूपार गुणाथ पदे रहु मोरा प्रार्थना करो ए सदा नरोत्तम दासा रूपार गुणाथ पदे रहु मोरा प्रार्थना करो ए सदा नरोत्तम दासा गौरंगा बोलिते हबे पुलक शरीरा हरि हरि बोलिते नयने बबे नीरा Hare Krishna. So let us quickly read the meaning of the bhajan which we have sung. Gauranga Bolite Abe. First I'll sing the line and then we will sing the English meaning. Okay, we'll sing again the bhajan. Gauranga Bolite Habe Pulaka Sharira Hari Hari Bolite Nayane Babeni. We'll read the meaning of this. When will that opportune moment come to us, when there will be shivering of body as soon as we chant Lord Gauranga's name? while chanting Hare Krishna? When will there be tears in eyes? Arag Benita Chande Karuna hui be Samsara Basana Mora Kabe Tuchha hui be. So its meaning is, when will I obtain the mercy of Lord Nityananda? When by his mercy will the desire for material enjoyment become very insignificant? Nice bhajan. Vishaya chariya kabe shuddha bimana kabe hame shirabo Shri Vrindavana. When the mind is completely purified, being freed from material anxieties and desires, then I shall be able to understand Vrindavan and conjugal love of Radha and Krishna. Then my spiritual life will be successful. Beautiful picture. Rupa Raghunatha Pade Hoibe Akuti Kabe Ham Bujao Se Jugala Preeti. When shall I be very much eager to study the books left by the 6 Goswamis headed by Sri Rupa Goswami and Sri Raghunath Goswami. By their instructions, I shall be able to properly understand the loving affairs of Radha and Krishna. Rupa Raghunatha Pade Rahomora Prathana karo sada Narottama Dasa. My only aspiration is to attain the lotus feet of 6 Goswamis headed by Srila Rupa Goswami and Srila Raghunath Dasa Goswami. Narottam Das constantly prays to attain their lotus feet. So beautiful bhajan, isn't it? By singing this bhajans, we can literally understand, know the sweetness of all the Gaudiya Vaishnava bhajans in such a prayerful mood, in such a humble, with so much humble and humility, and so beautiful bhajans with so deep meanings, which we can sing here and absorb ourselves and progress in bhakti. This is so beautiful prayer that when will I develop the eagerness to read the books to know about Radha and Krishna? When will there be a day when I can actually witness the pastimes? The meaning is so much deep. When will I be able to chant in ecstasy? It's really so beautiful meaning of the bhajans. Hare Krishna. So we will be singing such different songs as Gaur Purnima is arriving soon. So we will be singing some Gaur bhajans and absorbing ourselves in Gaur mood by singing Gaur bhajans and by hearing Gaur Katha, by speaking Gaur Katha and hearing Gaur Katha, and that for Gaur Purnima. Hare Krishna.